class. Our to your classmates over there. Good morning. How are you today? By the way, what have we discussed yesterday? Yes, of course, all about the different strategies. Like for example, we have the debate, we have the inductive method like that, we have the deductive method, and all the strategies. I know that you learned a lot of all of those. Okay? So this time we have our new lesson. It is all about constructivism. You know what is constructivism? I know you did not know it yet. So I have here a PowerPoint. Okay, let's look at here about the constructivism. What do you mean by constructivism? So here we have the meaning or the introduction about the constructivism in teaching. So the 21st century classroom is filled with a vibrant assortment of learners. The students here come different types of socioeconomic backgrounds with culturally experienced and learning styles. These dynamics create a challenge for teachers, and teaching must always be adjusted to the level of the pupils. So constructivism way of teaching be promoted in the classroom. So that's the introduction of constructivism. Then it is also said that constructivism is rather heterogeneous ideas. We invent our own concept and ideas like what we already know. This meaning making theory of learning is called constructivism. Knowledge is constructed by learners through active mental process of development. And of course, learners are the builders and reactors of meaning and knowledge. Another idea here, according to Brother R.J. and Jones, constructivism can be defined as the idea that development of understanding requires the learners to actively engage in meaning making. Then we have also here the varieties of constructivism. First, we have the educational constructivism. Second one, we have the philosophical constructivism. Third one, sociological constructivism. Then, in teaching, constructivism teaching is based on the belief that learning occurs as learners are actively involved in a process of meaning and knowledge construction. Learners are the makers of meaning and knowledge. So constructivism teaching fosters critical thinking and creates motivated and independent learners. That's according to uh, constructivism teaching. According to Piaget, 1977, he said that we accommodate the new information to our old way of thinking by restructuring our present knowledge to higher thinking. Then, constructivism teaching depends upon the learner's level of, so to say, cognitive. That deals with the mind of our pupils. So, according to him, sensory motor stage 0 to 2 years, pre-operational stage 2 to 7 years, concrete operational stage 7 to 11 years, formal operational stage 12 to 15 years of age. Okay. Now, we have also here the different activities in constructivist classroom. First, we have the experiment. Second, followed by research project. We have polls and discussions. So all of these activities are really familiar to us because this is really found in our classroom as we teach our pupils. Okay? Now, role. What would be the role of teachers in constructivist classroom? In the constructivist classroom, the teacher's role there is to prompt and facilitate the discussion. So, teachers here are the facilitator of our discussion. The teacher's main focus should be on guiding students by asking questions. It will lead to develop their own conclusion on the subject. That's the rule of teachers. Now, what have you learned in our lesson? Anybody? Yes, of course. I will repeat. This is here the question. What is constructivism? So you defined a while ago what you mean by constructivism. Very good. Then the varieties of constructivism. How many are those? There are three varieties of constructivism. Then what could be the difference between the three constructivism or varieties of constructivism? We have the educational, philosophical, and sociological constructivism. Anybody? Okay. How about the rules of teacher in constructivist classroom? Yes, of course, we mentioned about the role of teacher there is to facilitate the knowledge. Okay. How about the different activities in constructivism? So the different activities there, we have the what we call as number one there is katong the experiment, right? We have the film, we have the discussion. Okay, so those are the different activities of constructivism. Any question? Okay, let's proceed. Now, in your one fourth size of, or rather one whole size of paper, okay, we have our test right now. So take a look at here on the questions. We have 1 to 4 questions. Each questions here worth 2 points. Number one there is what is constructivism? So with your own explanation, your own making of word, write down there what is constructivism. It's 2 points. Second question, how does Brother R.J. and Jones 2002 define constructivism? What did they say about constructivism? Number three, enumerate the varieties of constructivism and differentiate each. Another 2 points. And the last one, what could be the rules of teacher in constructivism? Okay, so that's all for the test. Okay, now in your assignment in one whole size of paper, here, this is your assignment. In a paragraph, state the importance of constructivism as one of teaching strategy. Any question? Again, forget your assignment. In one whole size of paper, write it in a paragraph, state the importance of constructivism as one of the teaching strategy. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening.